Once there was a devotee who came every day to the temple and prayed with great intensity. He would always fold his hands and say, "God, I have surrendered everything to you." Yet, everyone noticed he was always restless. One day he went to his guru and said, "My Lord, I pray, I chant, I even serve whenever possible. I'm trying to follow all your instructions, but my worries do not leave me. I am always thinking about what will happen next in my life. I don't have the support that I would have liked. I don't have anyone to tell me it's going to be okay. I'm always making mistakes and I end up regretting my own actions. Why does grace not work for me? Please help me." The Guru smiled gently and asked him to bring a cup filled with water. The devotee brought it. The Guru then said, "Now pour more water into this cup." The man replied, "Gurudev, it is already full. If I pour more, it will spill." The Guru said softly, "Yes, my dear, and your mind is exactly the same. You say you have surrendered, but it is full of fear, control, and expectations. How will grace enter? Where will grace enter? Is there any space inside your mind and heart?" The man fell silent. The Guru continued, "My dear, surrender does not mean saying only the words "I surrender." Surrender means becoming empty inside. As long as we tightly hold on to our pain, our identity, our plans, our thoughts of how things should be, when they should happen, all these fears, insecurities do not allow grace to enter. Grace does not respond to force or desperation. It does not come through restlessness. Grace flows only when there is real trust. When one truly surrenders, the questioning mind quietens. The heart accepts what is. And what could not be solved by effort also begins to dissolve through the power of faith. This is why Lord Shri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita also says, "Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshishyami ma shuchah." In this 18th chapter, verse 66, Lord Krishna is not asking us to try harder. He is not saying, "First you must become worthy, then you will get my grace." He only says, "Leave all your burdens to me. Walk towards me. Sarva dharman parityajya." He's saying, let go of the weight of "I should, I must, I know, I will manage." Mamekam sharanam vraja. He says, take refuge in me. Don't go to others, don't go outside. Just trust in me. Trust my plans. Trust my timing. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshishyami ma shuchah. I will take responsibility for you. Do not worry, my dear one. This is what true surrender is all about. When you stop carrying the load of life alone, grace carries you. Until you think, "I have to do, I have to manage," you are only dependent on your intelligence, your strength, and your energy, which is already filled with memories of the past. But the moment you allow God's will to take over, the moment you say, "I am an instrument in the hands of God, God knows better, not my way, His way, not my time, His divine timing," then grace begins to enter. And once grace enters, fear ends. So today, my dear ones who are listening to this video, do not try to understand everything. It is not possible to understand surrender as well. Just try to practice it. Today, place one burden down, one worry, one fear, one question you've been carrying for a long time. Just release that question, that fear, that burden with love by saying, God, I cannot carry this anymore. I give this to you. I allow this to be released with love. Say this and it is enough. Every time negativity comes, fear arises, place your hands on your chest and say, God, you know better. And then do something in the day that you know will make God happy. That is how you will practice surrender beautifully in your life. Ask yourself, what can I say or do that will make God happy? And whatever answer you get, try to apply it. Put that into practice. That will be enough to earn God's grace. You will also experience God's love and power in your thoughts, ideas, words, and actions. Grace begins exactly there with your willingness, your awareness, and your commitment. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.
If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.